Hello everyone, today we will be discussing HPV in the Hispanic population. We are group 9 and these are our group members. So, what is HPV? The human papillomavirus is a sexually transmitted infection which causes genital warts. Strains of HPV have the ability to convert normal cells into cancerous ones, which can later cause cervical cancer. HPV is a health problem because it is the most common STI for ages 15 to 24. Around 14 million individuals will get infected with HPV every year. Sadly, 90% of all cervical cancer cases are caused by an HPV infection. However, by receiving the HPV vaccine, individuals will be protected from virus strains 16 and 18, which has been linked to cervical cancer. Our target audience are young Hispanic women living in San Diego between the ages of 20 to 24 who have not been HPV vaccinated. We chose this group because they are the highest risk of having HPV infections and cervical cancer. The health belief model will be used as a guide to our program. For perceived susceptibility, we want our target audience to realize that HPV is the most common STI. For perceived severity, we want to emphasize that HPV can cause cervical cancer by using statistics such as the one shown at the screen. For preventive health behavior, we hope that we are able to convince young Hispanic women to get the full cycle of HPV vaccinations in order to lower their chances of contracting HPV and cervical cancer. Our goal is to increase awareness of the benefits of HPV vaccinations towards Hispanic women. Our objectives: to increase perceived susceptibility of HPV infection, to increase perceived severity on HPV infections related to cervical cancer, to increase preventive health behavior, which is to convince the target population that HPV vaccines is important in order to lower the risk of getting cervical cancer. We will be creating a commercial which will focus on the risks of not having HPV vaccinations. At the end of the commercial, there will be social media links for people to get more information, such as Facebook, as studies have shown that Hispanics use Facebook the most. With that being said, one time is all it takes. HPV can mutate. Thanks for listening.